Hi, it's Frankie, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an API management instance in 2 minutes. We'll start in the Azure Marketplace, where I'll go to Create a Resource, type in API Management, and we'll start creating an API Management instance. First things first, I'll choose my subscription, I'll create a new resource group, or you could use an existing one. I'll choose a region, a resource name that must be unique, an organization name, and an administrator email, where you'll get information sent to you based on events that occur in your API management instance. You can choose your pricing tier. I'm going to choose development tier because it gives you basically everything that a standard and a premium gives you except for the SLA. Note, this is not for production environments, only for testing purposes. When creating an API management instance, I could choose to have additional monitoring using application insights. Note, I must have an existing instance. I cannot create one from here. You could also enable Defender for APIs, and note if you do, it'll be enabled for all of your APIM instances. I have multiple networking options involved for my API management instance. I could make it public, I could use a virtual network, and I could also use a private endpoint. I'll keep it public for this demo. You can choose to add tags if you or your organization uses them. I'll review and create the instance. Note, API management instances can take up to an hour to create in order to provision all the specific resources that are necessary within Azure. So I'll speed up the video until it's done. The deployment is complete. Now we can check out our APIM instance. I can go ahead and start navigating around the different tabs. From the overview page, I can see all the essential details I need to get started. From the APIs section, I can start creating APIs, products, subscriptions, and policies. And from the developer portal page, I can begin to configure the settings for my developer portal, and as soon as I publish it, anybody can access it. And that's how you create an API management instance. You can find these resources in the description to help you get started with your API management journey. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you missed the API management overview video, you can find that here. Thanks. See you in the next one.